What's up? Started work here this very morning, but there's a Amtrak. The morning one is 374 Pier Marquette. Amtrak train, and he should be leaving the Howland station here soon. Time is 6:55, and he usually gets here at 7, so I'll say less than 5, like 4 minutes. And he's coming this way, guys. You can't see, sorry. He's coming this way. And then, yeah. And also, I want to let you know why I'm quiet, because it's 6 in the morning. And, yeah. So he should be coming there soon. There's a green that way if you guys can't see. It's way off in distance in the fog, kind of. But from what I can see, it looks green. So it's ready for him. Here he goes. He's getting ready to go. Hear him, guys? Put the volume up more. We'll try to back up and film him that way. But he's coming. Yeah, here he comes. He's coming. I can't see what I'm doing. Yep, he's coming this way, guys. Hear him, guys? He's getting into town. He's at 16th Street almost, barely, but he's at 16th almost. He's almost at 16th, guys. Sorry, I choked there. He's coming up the hill already because he gets moving. This is Sims. Have you heard of them, guys? Get comment below. Have you heard of Sims? Like, are you from Kalamazoo, Michigan, or anyone 96 where they place in your old PC 40-2? Just Sim ones. And he's just by Black River over there. That's a school behind that party place over there. But you can't really see it too well. But LD Deanon over there. So he's up the hill. So here he comes. Should be up the hill here right now. I'll back up just a little bit so I don't get blown away. Do you hear him, guys? He's loud, isn't he? He's just... I can hear him dining from here, but he's dining. I can hear him from here because the wind's coming out from the north a little bit. No wind, too. He crossed, though. He's just crossed, I guess. I don't see him yet, but as soon as he gets by the front post, he starts dining. So he's gonna get surprised. No, he's not quite cross the crossing. He's almost there. But there they go right there. There he is. He's just coming up the hill. Bright LED sim. Trying in the Dana now. Get ready to cover your ears, guys. They're dining right there, if you can't see. These should be dining here any second too. So wait for it. Back up a little bit more. See the LED looking things? That's them right there. There they go here. Here he comes right now. There he is, right there. Nice 4 so cars. Good morning, America. Sorry, guys. Guys, there goes the end, right there. They're getting on 32nd right now. Not going that fast, is it? Not as fast as I thought he would be going. Just have to get a better look. They're getting on 32nd right now. Let's look at the Rares ones. That looks pretty polished, doesn't it, guys? Just look down there. There he goes. He's gone. They're going slow, but he's moving pretty good. This was a good video, wasn't it, guys? First one I made of him coming through. I'll try to get a better image. I'm going that way. I don't know if you can see this, but there he goes. There you go. So I'm gonna 32nd right now. It echoes, guys. Because he's... It echoes like that, guys, because he's right by a football field and it has a lot of open area. He's in a lot of open area right now. He's about to get in the country. So, yeah. This was a pretty good stream, wasn't it, guys? Oh, yeah, but I'm going to go back to bed after this. There they go up right there. This, if you can't see in the fog, don't go that far, but... Can't see in fog is green, and there we go. This will be the end of the stream, guys. Thanks for liking and subscribe for more videos, and see you next time. Bye.